everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm about to show you one of my favorite projects called Angus tea. This project located in Park Royal South Mall in West Vancouver area. In this video, I will show you the process of the design and renovation of this croissant bakery shop. I have half an hour to my meeting, so I'm just preparing all my drawing, print them, put them on a table and organize everything before my clients get here. When I visited this space, I really liked few things about it. One was the location. It was right at the corner with lots of windows, and that means more visibility from the street. Usually in bakery shops, there are three areas that are very important. One is where the client sits, and the second part is the product display and the cash system. And the last area is a back kitchen where the production is going to happen and there is always lots of storage. Hello everyone, I'm here in Angus at Park Royal South. Today is very cold and freezing and I'm very excited. Today I'm here with Sean and he's the best electrician in the world. There he is. Yeah, he's honestly the best. So we were just reviewing the electrical work for here, and the roughing for plumbing is completed. Right now the framing is completed as well. So it's Sean's turn. He's going to turn up this place. I think lighting is very important when it comes to design. So we were just reviewing our drawing. I'm very excited for this project. Like, I cannot wait for you to see it. Because we finished with all our roughing. So the electrical roughing, the plumbing roughing, all done. Self-leveling has been done and finished. Everything looks very clean. The drywall has been installed and we are at a stage of mudding and sanding, which is always means that the next step will be all our millwork finishes and all our finishes going to get installed. I'm here today to measure for the cabinetry and millwork final measurement and just double check my drawing and making sure everything is great to order the millwork. There are a lot of walls that have angles in this space, and after the drywall installation, we just want to make sure that we get the angles right, and that's what I'm here for. We're going to do our final measurement and adjust the drawing accordingly. At this stage, we are done with our flooring and all the flooring tile has been installed. We covered the floor, the walls has been painted. Still we need to have our final coat on, but we have a beautiful gray wall with black ceiling. The cabinet boxes are getting installed at this stage. There is a lot of angles in this area, especially the front counter, which making it a little bit more complicated, but nothing that we cannot handle. I wanted the client to see the kitchen or at least some part of it. So I divided the back kitchen to two zones, one for all the messy process and storage system, and one area for shaping the dough and baking process. I divided this area from the front with a glass partition so people can see inside and the space feels larger because it's see-through. For the amount of sitting area that are proposed for the space, I had to have another universal washroom for the space, and that was a lot of work. For the middle kitchen, I have a very functional layout. From the mixer to the workstation to sheeter and work table, the goal was to follow the steps of shaping the dough to the croissant and make the space more functional. For sitting area, I have mostly used movable chairs and tables to give my client more flexibility. I added a bench at the end with its own ceiling details, and I covered it with a beautiful green leather custom seat. Since there were so many windows and not enough walls, I've decided to focus on a ceiling, so ceiling became my design feature. Today I'm very excited because we're going to install the ceiling details. These are fire-rated laminates that's going on a ceiling in an angle format, and it's a little bit complicated because we have LED lights in a ceiling, we also have a sprinkler in a ceiling, and there is drops, there's angles, the walls have angles, so everything is a little bit more complicated, but nothing that we cannot manage. With the ceiling details, I've created a boundary for the serving area, and I divided that from the rest of the areas. In this beautiful ceiling details, I have LED lights and pendants, and everything is dimmable. As far as the menu goes, we've painted the wall with a charcoal paint from Benjamin Moore, so my client can handwrite the menu on it. I've decided to design a custom glass display with LED light to display all the croissant. And here we are finding a perfect height for bringing the LED light source through the wall for the glass display. Finally, we are ready to measure the countertop for the space, and I'm using quartz for the counter. At the front of the display, I use this beautiful grooved panels, and this beautiful natural color contrasts very well with the gray flooring and adds a lot of texture and interest to the space. Now it has been a year since I renovated Angus tea, and I'm about to walk in to enjoy my croissant, and I want to check the place and just see if everyone's liking it. Let's walk in and check it out. Honestly, I cannot wait for you to see this. Come on in. Oh my God, my mouth watering, the delicious croissant. Just check this out. It looks not only beautiful, but they are very, very delicious. I love their double baked almond. This is one of my favorite. And I can see they have dark chocolate raspberry. I'm definitely gonna have that one too. Now it's time to enjoy the croissant. I got the double almond that I love, and here you go. Let's have a bite. Ooh, it's very crunchy. It looks very good too. They do a very good job.
Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong.
Now I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my croissant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to see you in my next video.
Since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. sad